Hey, in this video, I want to show you how you can add translation to your Shopify store and take your dropshipping to a global level. So the point here is just to show you exactly how you can add translator and put your store in over 100 different languages. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the Shopify App Store and you would need to download Translate Pro. I'll include a link here for you to do that. So once you've done that, you'll go into the back end of Translate Pro. There is a free trial version of it. I recommend to go through the whole thing, obviously, and because that includes stuff like auto check, which is really cool. And if you like it, use it. If you don't like it, then end it before the trial version as well. Because what auto detect does is it allows when people come to your dropship store, they can actually see it in the language in the country they are. So, for example, if somebody's in France, they'll see it in French, or if somebody's in Germany, they'll see it in German. And you can always turn that off or make tweaks to that if you don't see that it's fit for your store. So the auto detection is a huge feature on it as well as the analytics where you can actually see what people are doing. So that's kind of cool as well, where you can see, oh, well, this many people are switching it from French to English. Well, then you might as well get rid of that, or you might as well make changes based on that as well. Um, so yeah, so once you've done that, you've added it to your store. You can go in here. There's a bunch of features on here. I'll just explain some of the ones that I like as well. The position is really cool. So kind of the whole goal with this Translator app, Translate Pro, is for it to look and feel like your website. So you can kind of see how the text is the same size as this, the color is the same as this. That's not an accident. So it doesn't come like this. If your store's black, then it can obviously be changed as well. The positioning, you see how it scrolls up. So I can change everything on it. So if I want to go to left, if I don't want to make it scroll up, if I want to make it red, so it just doesn't look good. I also want to make it native to English. So I go and show all these changes. And now this is like really cool looking on your site, looks very professional. We want to create an awesome customer service experience, and this allows us to create that awesome customer service experience. But if I hit refresh and I saved it, how does that look? Too close to that right there. The red doesn't look that friendly, right? None of this looks really that good. It's also stuck at the top. So again, depending on your website and how you want to relate with your shipping store, would really depend. So I'm going to switch it back just because I don't like all those changes I just did to just show you how it is. The goal is we want to create the best experience, right? And that's why through font, through size, menu size, flag size, all of this, it kind of creates the best experience for your customers. And that way you can start drop shipping worldwide versus just a few countries. So, okay. So I'm going to save it, go back. Top left. Okay. You can also display flags on here as well. So right now it doesn't show flags. It'll show flags as well as I've gone through the menu. And then the actual countries. So let's say you're only drop shipping to certain countries and not all countries, right? You can obviously choose the countries that you want to drop ship to show languages for. So if, for example, you don't Swedish, you don't drop ship to Sweden, then just delete it. Right, and then it'll go to your default language when somebody in that country comes to your store, right? Which it would be doing right now. But for the countries where you do want to get more customers from, right, you can actually translate into their local language so that it'll show up in their local language. All right, so if you like this video, if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any comments or questions, let me know right below. Or you can always reach out for any help. And I really do hope that Translate Pro can help your store reach a more global audience. And you can get a lot more customers just by speaking their native language. All right, thank you very much.